How do I connect WhatsApp on Hostinger Website Builder? Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to connect your WhatsApp account or your WhatsApp number to the Hostinger website of yours. So that will help to achieve the specific bubble of chat, and also it will let you communicate with your client through WhatsApp. So the process is going to be very easy. We are going to head over hostinger.com, sign in for an account, and then we are going to see the H panel or the dashboard of Hostinger. Once you are here, you're going to click on websites, then select websites list, and from here, you're going to see all the websites that we have created. Now, what we're going to do basically is to select the website and click on edit. Now, once you have clicked on edit, we are going to wait for the website builder to load up. Now, as you can see, it is not going to take a lot of time to load up the page. So we are going to wait for it real quick. And here we have it. Now, what we're going to do basically is to add the WhatsApp button. So how we can add the WhatsApp button? By connecting it. This is very simple. You're going to head over the left side of the screen. As you can see, we have some of the elements that we can control the website from. We're going to head over the more settings. Click on more settings. And here we have an extended menu. So we are going to see the blog, the appointments, the general settings, integrations, and etc. And since WhatsApp is going to be an integration like the Facebook ads or the Facebook pixels and the Facebook or the Google Analytics and etc., we're going to head over the uh, integrations. We have here custom codes, WhatsApp connections, so it will let you engage with customers in real time through convenient and direct chat, which is going to be a bubble in here, Facebook pixel, and etc. Now we are going basically here to click on it, and we are going to add the phone number of ours, of course, that we can communicate through. And we have the default message, which is going to be the welcoming message. Once you have put the phone number and the default message, you need to change it to something more appealing. For example, welcome, how can I help you? For example, this is more convenient, I think. You're going to click on save, and when you finish, you're going to click on update website. So do not forget to set up your number. This is only a fake number that I have put or a random number. So we are going to wait for the page to load up. As you can see, the settings are saved and the changes are published. We're going to view our website. We're going to wait for a few seconds, and normally we're going to see the WhatsApp button or icon floating in here. Maybe it is not going to float right away, but after few refreshes, we are going to see it right here. So you need only to start or begin refreshing the page until you're going to see it like that. So as you can see, this is the WhatsApp. Now you're going to open WhatsApp and access to the specific, as you can see here, um, button. So you can go ahead and continue to the chat and open your WhatsApp in here. Basically, that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next.